the question got presented to me: if God knew that we were going to sin, then why did he create us anyway? It's a pretty insightful question. There's generally two ways that I see this get answered. One is kind of a philosophical, has to do with free will, right? That it is preferable to create a morally free being, morally free people who can choose good rather than bad. I think we see this intuitively. If someone does good to us or loves us out of a willingness rather than being made to, right, we appreciate it more. It means more to us. And so I think we can see intrinsically that we can see going on that a willing goodness is preferable to a forced goodness. God did not want to create robots. He wanted to create free, moral human beings. And so in that sense, he would have to create a world in which we had the option of not loving him, of not serving him, of not doing the good. And so therefore it was necessary that the possibility of sin is there. Kind of the theological issue is that God is the utmost. He is the preeminent. He is the highest being of worth and value. The Bible tells us that all of creation is for his glory. And so there's certain things about God, about his nature and his character that receive glory, or that he is glorified in, that only sinful beings would produce. And so, for instance, his loving kindness. He needs other creatures to show loving kindness towards. His grace and mercy. Mercy being not receiving consequences you deserve. Grace is given blessings that you do not deserve. His justice, the punishment of wrongdoing, all of these things would not be possible if there were not imperfect, sinful beings, or beings at least who are able to choose the sin. And so then we see that whenever we do choose the sin, that God's justice is shown, or that his mercy or his grace is shown. And through the revealing of his mercy, of his grace, of his justice, of his loving kindness, he then is glorified through that. And then, of course, we can also take comfort in knowing that God does not leave us alone in this sinful situation, but yet he comes alongside of us to walk with us through it. And so that is a very quick answer, and I hope it helps.